Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an inspiring story that's going to leave you motivated and ready to take on the world. It's a story about SAFI-UR-REHMAN, an extraordinary individual who has proven that success knows no boundaries. So stay tuned to hear the remarkable journey of SAFI-UR-REHMAN, the epitome of achievement. SAFI-UR-REHMAN wasn't always the success story you see today. His journey began in a small village where opportunities were scarce. But what set him apart was his unwavering determination and relentless pursuit of his dreams. Despite facing challenges and limited resources, Safi never gave up. He knew that education was his ticket to a better future. He worked tirelessly to excel in his studies, often burning the midnight oil. Safi's path to success was paved with obstacles. There were financial struggles, societal pressures, and moments of self-doubt. But through it all, he persevered. What makes Safi's story so compelling is his resilience. He believed in himself when no one else did. He kept pushing forward, even when the odds seemed insurmountable. And then a breakthrough moment arrived in Safi's life. He got an opportunity that changed everything. This was the turning point. Safi seized the opportunity with both hands and transformed his life. He continued to learn, grow, and achieve his goals. Today, SAFI-UR-REHMAN is a symbol of success. He's achieved things that many thought were impossible. From his humble beginnings in a small village to his current status as a successful entrepreneur, Safi's journey is nothing short of remarkable. Safi's story is a testament to the fact that no matter where you come from, you can achieve greatness with hard work, dedication, and unwavering belief in yourself. So, the next time you're faced with challenges, remember SAFI-UR-REHMAN's story. Let it be a source of inspiration, a reminder that success is not limited by your circumstances, but defined by your determination. If Safi can do it, so can you. Thank you for joining us today and being a part of this incredible journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to inspire others. Until next time, keep striving for your dreams. You've got this.